Rolling down the fast lane, feel my heart race, I'm in a state of mind. Don't you try to stop me, crash the car on lead just to see the light. I don't really need that glamour, I just need someone to come stay the night. I just wanna rise up, don't let no fucking bitch in my way, alright. Rolling down the fast lane, feel my heart race, I'm in a state of mind. Don't you try to stop me, crash the car on lead just to see the light. I don't really need that glamour, I just need someone to come stay the night. I just wanna rise up, don't let no fucking bitch in my way, alright.
We got everyone, maybe.
Where the fuck did you bring me? It's cold.
Thank you. Perfect. More gas. I know, I used 3 liters. It's not bad. Okay, so this is the mics. We're at Wellington right now. We're about to go up Bainskloof Pass because it's beautiful. But yeah, it is fucking cold. Everyone's hands are dying. And I've just had to fill up fuel because, yeah, she drinks. You want a pro tip?
You can fry some eggs on this.
Fucking bitch in my way, rolling down the fast lane, feel my heart race, I'm in a state of mind. Don't you try to stop me, crash the car on lead just to see the light. I don't really need that glamour, I just need someone to come stay the night. I just wanna rise up, don't let no fucking...
So we just stopped for a nice breakfast here. And now we're about to head up Bainskloof. Just need to get everything warm before we start sending it. Move your foot. Okay, luckily everyone is alright. Just scraped her foot up a little bit. We're gonna come back and get on a trailer. And then we just need a new bracket, and that's the only thing that broke. One bracket that keeps the thing on. There's Eve, here's a mic, and literally just sheared off the gear lever, so we've disconnected it and we'll sort that out later. But luckily, no harm, no foul. Just a little bit of diesel in the entrance to the gas station and her front wheel slipped out. It's really unfortunate, but sometimes shit just happens. Okay.